This is how to replace your clock backup battery in your Perfectly Snug smart topper. The first step is to turn off the power to the topper. Second step is to pull the face off. Pull on the bottom two corners out, pull down in the center, and pull it out, and it will snap off. And then pull up in the top two corners here. There are 5 features on the back of the rubber face that hold it to the controller box. Set that aside. And then we'll remove the old battery. It's helpful to have a pair of needle nose pliers. You reach into to grab the battery here and pull it out. We'll set the old battery aside and then have your new battery. Now notice it's a CR1220 and the positive side with the plus mark goes up. So put this in positive side up. Locate it into the slot, push it in, and then the battery is in place. And then reverse the process of removing the cover by putting the features into the slots on the top first, pull down in the center and snap it in place, pull down on the side, snap it in place, pull down on the other side, snap it in place. And it's complete.